Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we have discussed exercise 6th A in which you have learned how to factorize polynomial if we have common monomial factor. For example, 3xy plus 2y. Common monomial factor we have, which is y. Right? We have only one term in it. So y is the common monomial factor. So this will be 3x plus 2. Right? This you have learned in previous exercise. Now in this class we are starting exercise 6th B. In exercise 6th B you will learn how to factorize the polynomial if we have common binomial factor. Right? For example, if we have z into x plus y plus 2 into x plus y. Here, this factor, which is binomial because we have two terms in this factor. So, this factor is common in both the terms. So, we will keep it outside x plus y, right? After taking outside, now in bracket we have z plus 2, right? So factors of the given polynomial is x plus y into z plus 2, right? Now for better understanding, let's practice with some more questions. Factorize the following polynomials, right? We have 6 into 3 plus x into 3 plus x, right? Here 3 plus x and 3 plus x is the common binomial factor, right? So we will take it outside the bracket, 3 plus x. Now in the bracket we have 6 plus this x. So this is your answer. Next, question number 4. 5t into t minus 4 in the bracket minus 6 into in the bracket we have t minus 4. Again, common binomial factor is t minus 4, t minus 4, right? So we will take t minus 4 common. Now in the bracket we have 5t. So right here 5t minus this 6, right? So this is your answer. Next, question number 7. P into 6 minus p minus 6 minus p, right? Again we have this 6 minus p, common binomial factor. So take it outside the bracket, 6 minus p, right? In the bracket, in first term we have p minus in second term we have nothing, right? So अगर हमने 6 minus p था और 6 minus p ही common ले लिया, so what we have now 6 minus p, 1 सा 6 minus p, 1 is remaining because आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते थे 1 multiply में, right? So we will put here 1. Clear? This is your answer. Next, question number 8. D into d minus 5 plus 7 into 5 minus d. Now students, one thing you need to remember, this is d minus 5 and this is 5 minus d, right? Little bit difference is there because here d is of plus sign and here d is of minus sign. Here 5 is of minus sign and here 5 is of plus sign, right? Now we know that if x minus 5 we have, अगर हमारे पास x minus 5 है and if we take minus 1 common, then it becomes 5 minus x, right? अगर हम इस टर्म में से minus 1 common ले लेंगे बाहर, then साइन क्या होंगे, माइनस टर्म आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट आ गया ना, सो साइन जो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट है उसकी चेंज हो जाएंगी, x माइनस का हो जाएगा एंड 5 प्लस का हो जाएगा, राइट? सिमिलरली वी विल डू हियर, हम क्या करेंगे, d इंटू डी माइनस 5 प्लस 7, हम इस टर्म में से -1 कॉमन ले लेते हैं, So after taking minus 1 common, साइन ऑफ दीज टर्म्स विल बी चेंज्ड, इनका साइन चेंज हो जाएगा, -5 हो जाएगा प्लस डी हो जाएगा, राइट, एंड -5 प्लस डी कैन ऑल्सो बी रिटन एज डी -5. Clear? So I am writing here d -5. Now this can be written as d into d -5 plus 7 ones are 7 of minus sign. So now we will have with minus sign, this will be of -7 into d -5. Now this and this is the common binomial factor, so take it outside the bracket. D -5 we have taken outside the bracket. Now we have d -7. So this is your answer. Next question, question number 10. This is y minus 2 square minus 3 into y minus 2. Right? Y minus 2 is the base, which is the common binomial factor. Right? So I am taking y minus 2 outside the bracket. Y minus 2 को common ले लेते हैं. Now in the bracket, this was y minus 2 raised to the power 2. It means y minus 2 base था, उसकी power 2 थी. हमने एक पावर ब्रैकेट के बाहर ले ली. Now we have 1 power, right? -3. यहाँ पर y minus 2 की एक ही पावर थी, right? सिंगल टाइम ही था y minus 2, and that we have taken outside as the common binomial factor. So no need to write it. Clear? So this is now y minus 2 inside the bracket. Open the inner bracket, y minus 2 minus 3. This -2 and -3 both are of same sign, so these will be added. Y minus 2, y 2 plus 3 5, and that will be of minus sign. This is your answer. Now the next question, question number 11. 14 3y minus 5z cube plus 7 3y minus 5z whole square. Right? Now students, if you have observed in numerical term, in this we can take 7 common. पहले हम इसी में से 7 common ले लेते हैं. Right? So now it becomes 7 2s are 14, 3y minus 5z cube plus 7 we have already taken outside the bracket. It becomes 3y minus 5z square, or you can write 1 here. चाहे तो आप यहाँ पर 1 भी लिख सकते हैं, because 7 ones are 7. Now further we have this common binomial factor, right? But here we have power 3, here we have power 2. In previous exercise you have learnt, if we have different power of same base, then we take common the minimum power. जो smallest power होती है उसको common ले लेते हैं. So let's take it. I am taking 3y minus 5z raised to the power 2 as the common binomial factor. Now in the bracket, in this term we have 2, and we have already taken power 2 as the common factor, so 1 power is still remaining. So write it here, 3y minus 5z plus this 3y minus 5z raised to the power 2 we already have taken as the common factor, so we just have 1 here, right? So 7 into this bracket is 3y minus 5z square. Open this internal bracket. This is 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 6y minus 10z plus 1. Right? This is your answer. Next, n minus 10 raised to the power 2 plus 10 minus n, right? This is n minus 10 and this is 10 minus n. So what we will do, we will take minus 1 common, right? Because 10 minus n can also be written as minus 1 into n minus 10, right? जैसे ही हम माइनस साइन कॉमन लेते हैं, जो भी टर्म्स होती हैं ब्रैकेट में उनके साइन क्या हो जाते हैं, चेंज हो जाते हैं. तो ये जो 10 था प्लस का वो क्या बन गया, माइनस का. जो n था माइनस का क्या बन गया, प्लस का, राइट? सो वी कैन राइट 10 माइनस n इक्वल्स टू माइनस 1 इंटू n माइनस 10, राइट? सो राइट हियर n minus 10 raised to the power 2 plus I'm writing it as minus 1 into n minus 10, right? n minus 10 raised to the power 2 minus 1 into plus 1. This is minus 1 plus minus minus na, so minus 1 into n minus 10. Now we have n minus 10, n minus 10. But here we have power 2 and here we don't have power, it means power 1. So we will take common the power which is least. So I will take n minus 10 raised to the power 1 common. Right, now in the bracket this was power 2. One power we already have taken as the common binomial factor. So in bracket we will left with n minus 10 raised to the power 1. Right, minus 1. Now open it. N minus 10 raised to the power 1 can also be written as n minus 10. In this bracket, n minus 10 minus 1. So this is n minus 10 into n minus, these are of same sign, so these will be added. 10 plus 1, 11, and that will be of minus sign. So this is n minus 11. This is your answer. Next question, question number 13. 5x plus 10y minus 7 into x plus 2y raised to the power 2. Now, from these two terms, we can take 5 as the common factor, right? So, take 5 as the common factor. Now, we have x plus 5 2s are 10, 5 minus 7 x plus 2y raised to the power 2, right? Now this is x plus 2y, or we can say x plus 2y raised to the power 1, and this is x plus 2y raised to the power 2, right? So we will take common the least power. जो कम पावर है उसको कॉमन लेंगे, x plus 2y raised to the power 1, or you can simply write x plus 2y. Clear? Now in bracket we left with 5 minus 7 into x plus 2y, because एक पावर तो हमने बाहर ली है, एक पावर still remaining ना. So this is x plus 2y. In bracket we have 5 minus, multiply the 7 by this, and we have minus sign also outside the bracket, so sign of these terms will be changed. 7 multiply x, 7x minus 7 to the 14y. So your answer is x plus 2y into 5 minus 7x minus 14y. This is your answer. Next question number 16 is x into x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z plus 2z minus x. Students, these two binomial factors are almost same, but we have difference here. इसमें difference है, इसमें just क्या हो रहा है, साइन चेंज हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पर x प्लस का था, यहाँ पर x माइनस का है, यहाँ पर 2z प्लस का माइनस का था, यहाँ पर 2z प्लस का है. So what we will do here, you also have done it in previous questions also. हम 2z माइनस x को और कैसे लिख सकते हैं, -1 कॉमन अगर हम लेंगे इट विल बिकम x माइनस 2z, राइट? ये जो 2z था ये प्लस का था, अब क्या बन गया, माइनस का. ये जो x था माइनस का था, अब क्या बन गया, प्लस का बन गया, So I'm writing it like this. So this is x into x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z plus minus 1 you have taken common. So right here minus 1 in bracket it will become x minus 2z. So this becomes x into x minus 2z plus y into x minus 2z plus minus x minus 2z. Right, now we have x minus 2z, x minus 2z, x minus 2z as the common binomial factor. So take it common, x minus 2z. Here we have x plus y minus nothing is there now, so you can write minus 1. Why? Because when you will take x minus 2z common from the x minus 2z, अगर x minus 2z था, x minus 2z ही common ले लिया, so it will become x minus 2z, 1 जा x minus 2z, so there will be 1, right? So this is your answer. So students, with this question your exercise 6D is completed. In next class we will start the next exercise. Till then keep doing practice and be safe at your home. Thank you. Have a good day.